Hey guys, welcome back to Ouch Mountain. Today we've got a pine tree that we're going to cut and see what kind of lumber we can get out of it, see what we can make out of it. But before we get there, we have to set the record straight. So I've caught some grief lately from the last time out that Sarah was not wearing any gloves when we were working with a sawmill and stacking lumber and that sort of thing. I was kind of challenged that maybe I'm too cheap to buy her gloves. So we need to set this straight.
It's not that he won't buy me any gloves. It's that I am very, very picky about my gloves. I don't like heavy duty work gloves. I don't like the rubberized gloves. I don't like the grippy kind of gloves. The ones I like are the jersey knit, and they are very hard to find. I've been all over town looking for them and have really kind of struggled to find what I want, because the other thing is I don't want them brown. I don't want them camouflage. If you watch, most of the time I have on pretty bright colored gloves, and that's just kind of what I like to wear, what I like to wear to work in. So I have been successful, and I have found me some gloves. Had to order them online, but I have 12 pair, and they are the jersey knit, bright colored. So I should be happy now. Everybody should be happy that I have my gloves on, and hope y'all like pink, because I know, fellas, this is not an important topic for you, but you know, we got to have these bright colors. He's got me gloves. We should be taken care of, and he shouldn't catch too much more grief over this.
So we're out here just not too far from our house, and we're looking at these trees. The wildfire that hit a couple years ago now came through this part of the property pretty hard. You can see at the bottoms of all these trees are all black, and many of these have died or are dying. And you can see what damage is done. We've had a lot of trees fall this spring. I think we're going to try to take one of these down. One of these is a pine that's still pretty good shape, but it is dead. The tops broke out of it, and it's burned at the bottom pretty bad. So I think it's dead. I think we're trying to get it down today and maybe get it to the sawmill.
tree is not quite as straight as we had thought it was. Got a little crook in the end of it looking at it from this side. So we'll have to see what we're gonna do with that.
Way you can tie it on the other side of that knot.
Yep.
Looking for 13 feet.
You're on it.
I say 13 even.
Yeah. Stuff to deal with. That's good for about 5 feet of it. Just gonna cut it and let's try it.
I think so. And then beyond that, it's like a banana. How we get, we can try 2/8.
Say,
1/8 on the bottom, and then whatever we got in the middle.
you want to walk up there and let me tell you, like, how straight, where it looks like it curves. It's up higher than that. It's right about in there. Stop right
The
there.
biggest curve,
Yeah. How far is it from there to the end?
12 feet.
You think so?
Yeah, but is it straight from here to the butt?
I think so. You want to look at it? So I don't know if that's as good a log as we thought it was.
No, it's probably, it's not really. It's not what we were wanting to get out of it. But
Not quite as straight on the ground as it looked from the angle we were looking at it.
it's got a little punkiness here on one side of it.
Yeah.
But I don't know, for one that went through the fire and the fire killed it, I guess it's all right. We're getting something out of it.
Help you with it.
Stop the thing. Chain it up again and pull
Yeah.
this one all the way out.
So what are you doing?
Well, I've got the butt end of the log on the wrong side here as I put it on the sawmill. So I need to spin it around, I guess 180 degrees,
Okay.
and then put it on the sawmill.
Okay, sounds good. So this end of it looks pretty solid. It is fairly straight. I think we can get something out of that. We'll just have to see what it turns out after we start cutting on it. So here is the cut list I've made out. This is a very rough representation of the barn, of the posts, and what we need. And you can see a list of things that we already have accounted for. And then here's my list of what we need. So we're going to start cutting on this log and see what we can come up with.
So I think that's going to wrap it up for today. I've got the new saw blade on the sawmill. Got to make a few adjustments to it, but I think we're going to be finishing up today. We're kind of running out of daylight. But if you like watching our videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, send us some comments, and share it with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ouch Mountain.